Hi guys, happy Friday. So we're making soup today. Normally I do soup on a Saturday, but for some reason I feel for some chicken foot with chicken soup. That's what we're making. You want what? Give mommy a minute, okay? Let mommy roll these dumplings for you. Okay, so you want cornflakes. What is soup without dumpling, right? Anyways, guys, it's okay for strangers to come and mess with your piece out of nowhere, and you're like, hey, cut them off, really. But when a family member come and mess with your piece, it's okay to like always talk back to them, and them do it over and over and over again, and you keep on talking. So why is it okay to cut off strangers, but it's not okay to cut off family? Why? Especially when there is a kid involved. Protecting my inner peace from others involves setting boundaries, definitely choosing not to react to negativity, and prioritizing my mental health over drama. Don't come and disturb my peace by telling me what somebody said about me. Keep that to yourself, because I'm gonna ask you what you say. There's always two sides to a story, so don't come disturb my peace by telling me a one-sided story. Nobody can control my emotions to me, so me definitely have to do that and start choosing silence every time over toxic confrontation with people. It's definitely not worth it. So for my subscribers, these are some pointers that I have for myself, jot down, and I'm going to share them with you guys in case there's somebody watching who definitely decides that they need to choose peace over drama. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. That's number one. Don't let somebody come ruin your peace just because they can't find theirs. And that one is definitely one. But me, I'm going to repeat. Don't let somebody ruin your peace just because they can't find theirs. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. If someone is constantly disturbing your peace or draining your energy, they are not your people. They are definitely not your people. And to me, it's okay to love people from a distance. Nobody not to hate nobody. Or, me can definitely over here so at peace and me and you cool.
You're right.
Happy Sunday. So we're going to do a little supermarket run.
Mommy.
Yes, baby?
What did you say? Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
Tara, okay, remember. We can remember one, please?
What?
No cheese not even in there. Can remember one, come give me. It's mine.
What?
Tara, give me my bun. Jesus, help you.
Mommy.
Yes? Say hi.
Hi.
You're shopping.
Shopping.
Say happy Sunday.
I'm done yet.
Good boy.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Kai, you're gonna get your hair washed tomorrow. Your hair doesn't look good. Hey, remember the mirror? Remember Tigazan? What is his name? Whatever Chichipe name. People listen, yeah. Oh my god, you can tell this is so crunchy. And the one here, I think cheese balls.